Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the $5 Goodwill challenge, which is hosted by Hilary from Old World Home. Please visit her channel. The link is going to be in the description box because I just found out her channel a while ago and I am really in awe. I'm amazed. So I'm not going to say anything else, just go and check her channel. And also check the playlist with all the videos that are going to be posted from the crafters that are participating in this challenge. Well, we are supposed to find something at a thrift store or garage sale or whatever that is less than $5 and make something nice with it. And at my local Goodwill a few days ago I was looking for Easter stuff and I found this very cute Easter bunny that cost me $3. So that's perfect for this challenge. So I'm going to spray paint it white and then I will be back and I will show you what I'm going to do with it. So be right back. Okay, I'm back. And as I promised you, I spray painted the bunny in white with Rust-Oleum. And now I'm going to add something to it. I prepared this ribbon with these little flowers in pastel colors and kind of Easter colors. I had added an extra flower, but it was too much, so I removed it. And I'm going to place it on the bunny's head, like so. Let's use this space and let's add the flowers. Oops. See, okay, I'm going to add hot glue here to start adhering the headband. Okay. I'm going to glue this part. I need my finger protector and here we go. I'm removing the extra glue. And I made a mistake. This goes here, and this goes here. The back side is not going to be seen, so I could add later the flower I removed, but I don't think it's necessary. So here we have it with the headband in place. And now it's just, oh, I'm going to add a bow here. I forgot about that. And now, after doing this, I'm going to add this bunny to this pan, baking pan, from Dollar Tree that I have had around for a long time. I've already added some reindeer moss from Dollar Tree to the bottom. I have this book, which is also from Dollar Tree, and the dust cover, I turn it inside out, sorry, to have the white side out. And I printed from internet these 2 pages from Peter the Rabbit and adhered them to the middle page of the book. I glued some of the pages together so the book will stay in place better. Anyways, the bunny is going to keep it in place. So I'm going to add the book here and the rabbit here. Open in frame. Yes. And then this is really simple. I have this nest that I bought on eBay from China a long time ago, like 2 or 3 Easters ago, and these foam eggs that are also from China. I bought them separately, and I love them. So I'm going to place them here. As usual, I'm not gluing anything because if someday I want to change the decor, I don't have to deal with glue and stuff like that. And I have these roses. I love them. They are from Walmart. And some lamb ears. I love lamb ears. I use them everywhere. Almost all my pieces of decor have lamb ears, sorry. So let me see. I'm going to place this rose here, and I think I'm going to place this here. Yes, I like this. So in just a few minutes I have my, it's going to be kind of a centerpiece or vignette. I'm still not sure if I'm going to use it as a vignette in a corner of my desk or a centerpiece in my video room console table. But those are the options for this piece of decor. And as you can see, it took me only kind of 5 minutes. Of course, I had already made this. This also took me 5-10 minutes. And that's absolutely it. And I spent just $3 because I have everything else. And but anyways, this was like 75 cents. This almost the same. The book is $1. The moss is $1, but I have a lot left. And the flowers were also $1.75, and a lot of them, a bunch of roses, and $2 for 2 stems of lamb ears at Walmart. So it's really inexpensive. But the main piece cost me $3, which is within the range of this challenge. So I hope you like this piece of decor. Thank you to the hostess for hosting this challenge. Hillary, thank you so much. Please visit her channel. Sorry, I always say the same, but it's true. Why can't I say challenge when I have to say that? I always say channel instead of challenge. And I keep doing that every time I participate in a challenge. Okay. Visit her channel. Thank you so much for watching. Visit the playlist so you will see all the other creations. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.